Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, July 18, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going this morning?
Hey David, I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad. Just need this coffee to kick in. I was up late with some sales numbers.
I know the feeling. I had a long meeting last night too.
Man, we're always running around, huh? No time to relax.
Yeah, it's nonstop. What's new with you today?
Oh, I was checking some news online. Did you hear about the new tariffs President Trump is pushing?
Tariffs? No, tell me about it.
It's a big deal. They're talking about a 30% tariff on stuff from Mexico and the European Union.
30%? That sounds pretty high.
Yeah, it is. My sales team is already stressing about prices going up.
I can see why. It can mess with our project costs too.
Exactly. Higher costs mean less money for us, right?
Right. We might need to rethink some budgets.
Oh, more work for us. I just want to sell, not deal with price hikes.
Haha, I get it. But it's part of the job, sadly.
True. Hey, at least we've got coffee to keep us going.
For sure. This coffee break is my favorite part of the day.
Mine too. Oh, speaking of favorites, did you see the news about NVIDIA?
NVIDIA, what's happening with them?
They hit a huge milestone. Their market value is now at $4 trillion.
4 trillion? That's hard to even imagine.
Yeah, they're the first company to get there. Tech is just taking over the world.
It really is. We rely on tech so much for our projects.
Same here. I'm glued to my computer chasing clients all day.
It's the way things are now. But I wonder if smaller companies can compete.
Good question. Big names like NVIDIA make it tough for the little guys.
Yeah, it's something to think about. Tech changes so fast.
It sure does. I can barely keep up with all the new gadgets.
Me neither. It's like every week there's something new.
Huh? Yeah. I just stick to what I know on my laptop.
Smart move. Keep it simple, right?
Exactly. Hey, talking about keeping things simple, did you hear about that sad news from Greece?
Know what happened there?
It's really awful. A professor from UC Berkeley got shot in Athens.
Oh no, that's terrible. Do they know what happened?
Not yet. The police are still trying to find the person who did it.
That's so sad. I hope they get some answers soon.
Yeah, me too. It makes you think twice about traveling, you know?
It does. You just never know what can happen out there.
Right. Gotta stay safe no matter where you are.
For sure. It's a reminder to be careful everywhere.
Yeah. I mean, I love a good trip, but safety first.
Same here. I always check things before I go anywhere.
Smart thinking. Hey, but let's not get too down about it.
True. We've got enough stress with work already.
No kidding. Let's keep the coffee break happy.
Agreed. It's the one time we can just chat and relax.
Yep. So, how's your project going anyway?
It's okay, but super busy. I've got deadlines coming up soon.
I feel you. I've got a bunch of client calls this week.
Sounds like a lot. How do you keep up with all of them?
Coffee and a good playlist. That's my secret.
Haha, nice. I just make lists to stay on track.
Lists are good. I should try that sometime.
You should. It helps when things get crazy.
I bet. Hey, speaking of crazy, those tariffs are still on my mind.
Yeah, me too. I wonder how long it'll take to feel the impact.
Probably soon. Prices don't wait to go up, you know.
True. We might see changes in a few weeks.
More headaches for my sales pitches. Clients hate price jumps.
I can imagine. It's tough to explain to stakeholders too.
For sure. Hey, but maybe NVIDIA's success will balance things out.
How do you mean? Like tech saving the day?
Kinda. If tech keeps growing, maybe it'll help the economy.
Maybe. Strong companies can make a big difference.
Yeah, let's hope so. I need some good news for my sales.
We all need good news. It keeps us going.
Totally. Oh, and about that professor story, it's still so sad.
It is. I keep thinking about their family.
Same. Must be so hard for them right now.
Yeah, I hope they get support and answers soon.
Me too. Let's hope for the best there.
For sure. It's all we can do from here.
Right, man, we've covered a lot in this coffee break.
Haha, we sure have. From tariffs to tech to sad news.
Yeah, Never a dull moment with us. We're like a news channel.
Haha, true? The coffee machine news hour.
Love that. Hey, we should do this every day?
We already do. It's the best way to start the morning.
No doubt. Keeps me awake and in the loop.
Same here. I learn a lot just chatting with you.
Glad to help. Hey, what's on your plate for today?
Oh, just a ton of emails and a team meeting. You?
More client calls and some reports. The usual grind.
Sounds like we're both booked. Better not waste time.
Yep, gotta get moving. But this chat was nice.
It was. Let's catch up again tomorrow.
For sure, same time, same coffee machine.
It's a plan. Have a good day, David.
You too, Alex. See you later.
Take care. Don't work too hard.
Ha, no promises. Catch you tomorrow.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.